Hello, welcome to Bars and Bells. My name's Lauren, and here with Ian, we'll be using a 2.5-minute routine to add strength and conditioning to your kettlebell workout. Build your endurance and follow along with this video series to achieve 50 swings in 2.5 minutes. We will be progressing in this video to our chop and pops, doing 5 chop and pops every 30 seconds for the 2.5 minutes. Let's get started. Standing in your hinge position, getting ready to chop. 3, 2, hands chop hips back, pop hips forward. 2. 2 more. Last one. Shake it out. About 15 seconds off. Trying to breathe in and out through your nose. Staying nice and loose. Another round of 5 in 4, 2, 1, 5. And shake it out. Every time you finish that swing at the top, making sure you're bracing your abs and squeezing your glutes. Keep it loose. Feet nice and set on the floor, gripping toes. Get ready in 3, 2, another 5. And shake it out. Or do an extra one. Shaking it out. Remembering to breathe. On this next set, match your exhale with the hips popping through at the top. In 5 seconds. 3, 2, round 4. Exhale, exhale, last one, and shake it out. Whew. Get that heart rate up a little bit, stay loose from the ankle to the toes. Nice controlled breathing. One more round. In 5, 3, 2, last set. Whew. And shake it out. Nice breaths in and out through the nose to finish up. Good. That was 5 rounds of 5 pop and chops. If that was easy, progress adding 1 or 2 more each set and working towards your kettlebell swing. Stay tuned for that video next.